As you can probably tell, the slime trend has taken over YouTube, and we've made a few slime videos ourselves. So this time, we decided to try out a Slimygloop laboratory slime making kit. Hope you enjoy!
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more awesome DIYs.
Welcome to Mommy and Princesses Crafts.
According to the front of the box, the Slimygloop laboratory kit is for ages 6 and up. It looks like the kit has everything we need to make slime. On the back of the box, there is a list of all the supplies included in the kit. The box has 2 sodium tetraborate packs, 1 plastic measuring cup, 2 plastic test tubes, 3 sequin packs, 6 glitter packets, 1 mixing stick, 200 beads, 1 plastic spoon, 3 colored dyes, and 2 glue bottles. The bottom of the box has pictures of the other Slimygloop kits available: Galaxy, Unicorn, Mermaid, and Glow in the Dark. The very bottom of the box says, visit www.horizongroupusa.com/Slimygloop for inspiration and how-to videos. Now, let's open the box. We've opened up the box, and now it's time to look at the instruction manual. The rules of Slimygloop are: do not eat Slimygloop brand slime or any of the ingredients. Be careful not to splash any solution in your eyes. Wash hands thoroughly with warm water and soap after each use. Be sure to cover your work area, as making Slimygloop can get a bit messy. Now it's time to make the slime. To make the Galaxy Slimygloop, you will need a bowl for the sodium tetraborate solution, a bowl for the glue solution, and a bowl to mix it all in. You will also need the Slimygloop glue, the Slimygloop measuring cup, blue dye, purple and blue glitter, silver sequins, and a mixing stick. To create the sodium tetraborate solution, fill a disposable cup with 25 milliliters of warm water. Using the spoon provided, scoop out 1 level spoonful of sodium tetraborate and pour into the cup of water. Stir the solution with a plastic spoon until the sodium tetraborate dissolves. Set aside. To make the glue solution, fill a second cup with 25 milliliters of warm water. Measure and pour 16 milliliters of white glue into the second cup of warm water. Stir with a mixing stick until the glue is thoroughly mixed in. Do not stir with a spoon unless you washed it first, as the sodium tetraborate on the spoon will make the glue solution start to transform. Set aside. First, add in 3 to 4 drops of the blue dye to the glue solution. Add in 1/4 pack of the purple and blue glitter, along with half a pack of the silver sequins into the ST solution. Slowly pour the ST solution into the glue solution. Stir until you get the right consistency and all of the water is absorbed. Unlike our homemade slimes, this slime was extremely sticky and had a very weird texture. It was more gloopy than slimy, and it always seemed like it was underactivated. While our slime was very fun and easy to play with, the Slimygloop was extremely liquidy and not so fun. We give it a thumbs down.
Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video.
Bye!